Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by locating the ticket channel or bot prompt inside the server. This is your entry point. Once there, click the clearly labeled Open Ticket or press the bot button to start a thread. You should enter a concise subject and pick the closest category so moderators route your issue faster. Explain what you need in one clear paragraph. This helps reduce back and forth. Make sure to attach any screenshots or message ID that demonstrate the problem before you submit. Next, detail the problem precisely so staff can act. Start by listing steps to reproduce it in order. This saves time. Then include exact timestamps, message ID, user tags, and screenshots to illustrate what happened. Explain why this matters to you and state the outcome you want, for example, a warning, ban review, or refund. Once done, answer any bot prompts and confirm contact preferences. Clear, actionable details speed resolution and reduce ambiguous follow-ups. Finally, wait for the moderator to respond and monitor your ticket thread for pings. If you receive questions, reply promptly and keep relevant evidence attached. Make sure to mark the issue resolved when satisfied so staff can close the ticket. If you see no reply in the expected timeframe, gently bump the ticket with new details. This reminds staff without being hostile. If the ticket fails or is ignored repeatedly, escalate to an admin or resubmit with clearer evidence and timestamps.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.